Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Health and Beauty Vibes. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve that radiant glowing skin right from the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to expensive salon treatments and hello to natural, affordable skincare. Let's dive right in. The first step is to ensure that our skin is clean and free from any impurities. I'm using a gentle cleanser here that's suitable for all skin types. Remember to be gentle with your skin, especially during the summer when it's more prone to oiliness and sweat buildup. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, glowing complexion underneath. For our DIY scrub, I'm using a mixture of sugar, honey, and lemon juice. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, while honey soothes the skin and lemon juice brightens it up. Rinse off with lukewarm water after gently massaging for a few minutes. Now that our skin is prepped and exfoliated, it's time to give it a boost of hydration. I have here a homemade hydrating mask made with yogurt, honey, and mashed avocado. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and hydrates the skin, while honey and avocado provide moisture and nourishment. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. To lock in all that hydration and nourishment, I'm using a lightweight facial oil infused with vitamin E and rosehip seed oil. Facial oils are great for sealing in moisture and providing essential nutrients to the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. Last but certainly not least, don't forget your sunscreen, especially during the summer months when the sun's rays are strongest. Sunscreen not only prevents sunburn and premature aging, but also helps maintain the results of your glow facial by protecting your skin from harmful UV damage. And there you have it, folks, our DIY summer glow facial for radiant, brighter skin. With just a few simple ingredients and steps, you can achieve that coveted glow without breaking the bank. Remember to pamper your skin regularly and stay hydrated to maintain that healthy, radiant complexion. Until next time, happy glowing! With just a few simple steps, you can achieve that summer glow right at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.